Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unbagging slash unboxing to do. Got this item from eBay. I did a previous, guess what's in the box bag video on it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright. So this is a little bag that I purchased an item from eBay. I've actually purchased a lot of items from eBay. Majority of them are for the limited 2000 4Runner. I actually have some in the list that are actually for both trucks. Sorry guys, I'm just dropping everything at like 102.5 temperature yesterday. Like they just put a piece of cardboard in it to make it stiffer. The bag is empty. This looks like the hazard switch that I picked up. Security seal. It's got the tabs on both sides. Oh, that's really nice. That's easy to push. So, I'm not sure if the hazard switch on the new limited, if these tangs are the thing that's broken, or if the hooks on the dash piece are broken. But I went to go use the hazards the day I brought the truck home, and I pushed it, got the hazards turned on, they were working fine. Went to go shut the hazards off and the switch fell inside the dash. I had to pull over to get the hazards to turn off because I had to pull the dash part. I figured, this was only so it was only like $14 for the switch, and it's the entire switch. And if it's not the switch that's the problem, it doesn't matter, because my SR5 and the limited both are 2000s. They both take this exact same identical switch. It doesn't hurt to have an extra. It looks like it also may have the original bulbs in it too. The original bulb. This piece right here should be, oh, look at that. It has a bulb in it. Well, at least it has the bulb in it. The itty bitty tiny micro bulb. It doesn't matter to me what this protective seal is. This seal isn't on the regular switch. I could tell you that. They probably, whoever pulled it out of a truck, put that on there to protect themselves. But, doesn't need to be a massively long video. Just a person just purchased a hazard switch, trying to solve a problem, which the truck, the limited had gone back to the dealer for repairs, so the truck isn't here, so it's not like I can go out there and swap these out and see if this will stay attached to the actual dash housing. But, I'll test it as soon as I get the truck back. These tangs are wider than I remember on the other one. So they might catch, there might be no issues, that one might stay. But, you know, quick video. It's always helpful to have extra parts, even if they're not needed anyways, and this wasn't really expensive. It's intact, it's a Toyota part. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Just a quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. I'm not really feeling very well. I had a really high temperature yesterday, like 100, almost 103 yesterday. It's like 102.2 or something like that, I think. And, you know, I feel like I've got the flu. But I'm feeling a lot better now, so I'm going to just, you know, get a couple of these videos out. I've got another 12 or so items showing up between both trucks. The 4Runner, mine, is actually out there. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek real quick. Mine is right here. There is the skid plates, and the top is the driver's side step that's fine. It's the bottom one that is messed up, which is the passenger side rail. That one's the one that's messed up. And you can see that the other 4Runner is not here. This is the damage. So give you guys a little sneak peek. So I got quite a bit of work that needs to be done. This ram guard is actually twisted right here. Twisted, and it's bent in. So the whole thing twisted. Lights. So this side isn't too bad. When this truck hit the driver's side, it was laying on its side. When they picked it back up, even when it was laying on its side, this hood was not overlapping this panel, because I have pictures of this truck at the tow yard, actually at the tow lot, and this hood was not overlapping this panel. It was perfectly straight before. I mean, it was actually where it was supposed to be, and it was straight. And then there's a huge dent right here. So all of this stuff wasn't here. Looks like every time a tow truck driver picked this vehicle up to move it from one location to the next, the first time it was to the tow yard, the second time it was picked up to the collision center, and then the collision center to my house. It looks like every single time it was damaged worse than it was, because I have photos at the tow yard that the hood was straight. This panel was actually straight, and it's actually dented now. There's a little bit of damage right here where the step was, which that I can bang out. Doesn't look like any other damage there. So just a quick little sneak peek. This section of the hood was damaged when I landed, but this gap is huge. It was not like this when I landed. This whole hood was perfectly straight. It would close and seal like a normal hood, and then even when I got to the tow yard, the hood closed like it was completely straight. There was no gaps or anything other than the gaps that were supposed to be there. And then it gets dropped off at the collision center and it looks worse. And then it gets dropped off at my house and it looks worse. So it is what it is, guys. It will have to be fixed. Kind of guess I gave you guys a quick little update. It didn't need to be that long, but like, comment, subscribe. You know, check out all the affiliate links. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.